Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Caitlin from Shumatt, China. We specialize in the common rail inject, and today I want to share with you some of our products. Let's see. Okay, this is our product, the control valve. Yes. Anyone, if you're interested, please follow me. Let's check the details first, okay? Look at this part. Okay, let's see. For our packages, we pack it with VCI anti-rust bags. Our package bags is really good because it's mental friendly, environment friendly. Okay, and on this part, you can see this is our labels. And the first line on this label is our company logo, Shumatt. If you want to design your own logo, you can contact us, and because we Shumatt, we can supply the customized services. If you want to print your own logo, the labels, and the packaging bags, and so on. If you have this demand, yes, just contact us, because we can satisfy you this kind of demands. And on this line, as you can see, this is a model number. The model number is F00VC01348. In this part, it is a product name, common rail valve, and this is the application eject numbers 0445110261. And on this part, it's a QR code. Use your phone to scan it. You can find the other information about our product. Okay, that's the details about our labels. Let's check the inside part. I will got it to show you more. Wow, look at this one. This is the inside part, actually. The inside part, as you can see, is a transparent bottle, right? So when it be transportation, you won't to worry about anything will hurt your product, okay? Open it in this way, and you will find we packaged it with oil papers. Wow, I like oil paper. Yes, as you can see, this is a whole side of product. This is the whole side. We seal the whole side, yes, but also we seal in the separate parts. Let's see more details of the separate part, okay? Because maybe some customer you have different demands. Yes, we can satisfy you. This is valve cap. For our valve cap, look. On this part, there has a coating, right? And also with the curved letters. And this is a valve rod. For our valve rod, we have different lengths, we have different size. If you have the needs like you want other size, then you can contact us because we supply the customized services. Okay, at each items, before we sell it, we will test it many times. And so about our product, we really have the good qualities, and don't worry about that. And so that's why we have confidence to see for our product we have the 6 months warranties. Okay, that's all the details about our product. Actually, if we have many models of our product, right? If you are not familiar with our product, you can send us the numbers. Yes, just send us the product code. Maybe, and we can help you to check it. Also, you can download the app. Okay, here, Caitlin have 3 tips I want to share with you about our control valves. The first tip is if you want to clean the spare parts and the injector, you better use oil to clean it. The second tip is if you want to install the control valve, you better to make sure the valve rod can be moved smoothly after assembly inject bodies. The third tip is make sure the valve cap in the right position. Okay, that's all the tips I want to share with you. Actually, each week we have different videos and live show on the Facebook and YouTube account. If you like Caitlin, if you like my video, if you like our product, you can follow us at our channel and feel free to contact us, okay? And except that we also supply the injector, the nozzle, the repair kit, pumps, parts for the pumps, including the control valve we are showing today. Yes, about our product. By the way, about our product, we have the 6 months warranties. Yes, during this time, if you are not satisfied with the qualities, you can contact us and we can exchange it for you. Yeah. Okay, that's all the details I want to share with you today. Thank you for your watching. See you next time. Bye bye.